Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. We are here with a new word in the Quran, which is very frequently used, among the most frequently used words in the Quran. And you may be familiar with this. The word is Ja'alna. The dua we make, Rabbi Ja'alni muqima salati. The word Ja'ala, Ja'alna, Yaj'alu, Ja'alni, you would see a lot in the Quran. Let's take an example. In Surah An-Naba, ayat number 9, 10 and 11, we have these ayat, وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا. And it actually continues in a few ayats down the road as well in the surah where the word Jalna gets repeated. Let's quickly analyze this and see the meaning of this word here. Ja'ala, the word Ja'ala means to make. To make. And Ja'ala, if you have looked at some of the verb lessons that I have, Ja'ala is actually past tense and points to third person singular that he made. So although a lot of books you would see Ja'ala means to make, Ja'ala it actually means he made. He made. So just to simplify, they say to make, but in actual it means he made. Because the present tense is yaj'alu, right? But we will not go into that. If for now, just we need to understand that jala is the past tense, is not a present tense. Because present tense usually starts with one of these, alif, noon, ya or ta. So it would be more like ya jalu. Ya would be used for present. Okay. So the point being here that when we see qala, jala, then we know these verbs are past tense. They are not present tense. So one thing we establish, jala means to make, but here because it says jalna, so this is past tense. So wow here is and, jala is made. So I used a famous translation here. However, we will come to a point where we'll see that part of the meaning is kind of missing here. وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا, and made your sleep for rest. Made your sleep for rest. So we know jala means made, وَجَعَلْنَا and made, but it's not jala here, it's jalna. So this verb, when we have na in the end, it's pointing to nahnu. Nahnu means we. Wajalna, and we made your sleep. So remember connected pronoun? Connected pronoun is here actually. Naumakum. So wajalna, and we made. And we made. Why we made? Because jala is he made. Jalna is we made. Now in the azan we know that as-salatu khairum min naum, so naum is sleep. Now makum, when we add kum at the end, see assalamu alaikum, kum is pointing to you plural. Now makum, so and we made your sleep. Naum is sleep, now makum your sleep, and we made your sleep for rest. Okay, so jala means to make. Jala is made, past tense. Jalna, we made, right? So we made your sleep. Now sleep, now makum your sleep, and we made your sleep for rest. And then it continues, and made the night as cover, right? So ja'alna again. So jalna is actually not just made, but actually it is we made. And we made, why we made? Because if it's na here, now points to nahnu. In the end, this na is point to like qulna, right? So when we have this na at the end on a verb, it's easy because we know this na pointing to nahnu. Nahnu means we. So we made. Allah is referring to himself as we here. And we made the night. Everybody knows layl means night. And we made the night as libasa, easy. Libas is dress, is cover. And we made the night as cover. Wajalna, and we made the day, nahar, the day. Interesting fact, we eat nahari in the morning. People from subcontinent familiar with this word. Nahar actually comes from the word the day, right? Wajalna nahara, and made the day maasha. Maash, common words in Urdu. Maash means livelihood, and made the day for livelihood. Sorry. Okay, so that's established here. That ja'ala means to past tense, made. Ja'alna, we made. Now, an interesting twist in the dua that we make in our salat. Rabbi ja'alni, right? Rabbi ja'alni. Ibrahim's dua. So, how do we analyze this here? Ja'ala, this is, we know, past tense. Ja'ala, past tense, right? This noon is pointing to nahnu, but there is an e at the end. So basically what's going on here is O Allah, O Lord. So it's pointing to him, and then this e is me, right? So make me, O Allah, make me, right? So like it's the same thing as we say kitabi. So this is connected pronoun here. Kitabi means when you add ye at the end, it's pointing to me. So Ibrahim is requesting that, oh Allah, make you make me, ja'alni, right? So this ye at the end is pointing to me, right? Okay, so again, ja'ala is a very, very common word. And it's being used many times. These are a few examples of ja'ala. The next word we'll use would be, inshallah, would be akhaza. Akhaza. Akhaza is another one of the most commonly used word in the Quran, but we'll do that in the next class, inshallah.